In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Gemini. If you like a cleaner look that's easier on the eyes, especially at night, dark mode is a great choice. It swaps bright backgrounds for deeper tones, reduces glare, and on many phones with OLED screens, it can even help conserve a bit of battery life. The best part is that turning it on takes just a few taps. Start by opening the Gemini app on your phone. Make sure you're in the main view where you can see your recent chats or the home screen of the app. From here, look to the top right corner and tap your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might be your Google account photo or a circle with your initial. If the icon isn't immediately obvious, gently scroll or tap once on the screen to bring the top bar into view, and then tap the profile button when you see it. After tapping your profile icon, a menu or page will appear with options related to your account and preferences. Choose Settings. If you don't see a Settings option right away, you may see something like Appearance or Theme listed directly. Different app versions can label this area slightly differently, but you're in the right place as long as you're looking for visual or display preferences. Inside Settings, look for Appearance or Theme. Tap that, and you should find a simple selector for the app's look. Choose Dark Mode, or if the menu shows a theme section, select Dark there. Once you make the selection, the app should switch immediately to darker colors. You'll notice the background turning to deep gray or black, and text shifting to lighter shades for readability. Take a quick moment to scroll around and confirm the change took effect across your chats and menus. If anything looks off, retrace the same path and make sure dark is selected, rather than light. Some devices might need a brief moment to apply the change, so give it a second before trying again. If your app's layout looks a little different from what I've described, don't worry. The key is the same. Open the Gemini app, tap the profile icon at the top right, head into Settings, or a similarly named section like Appearance or Theme, and select Dark. Keeping your app updated also helps ensure these options appear as described. And that's it. You've enabled dark mode in Gemini in just a few taps. Enjoy the more comfortable viewing experience, and feel free to switch back using the same path anytime you like.